A few months ago, when we here at Mathews Brothers introduced our newest window line, the Sanford Hills, you may recall that Sanford took advantage of a recent trend and self-identified as a wood window. Now, we did this for two reasons. First, because we could, and second, although the window had all the structural strength, thermal efficiency, and maintenance freedom you'd expect from vinyl, it looked exactly like the putty glazed wood sash we made for 160 years. Little did we realize, those many months ago, that society would once again provide the pathway for us to introduce another new product line. Ladies and gentlemen, the Sanford Hills window line is proud to announce that it is the birthing person window for the new Sanford Hills patio door. Tested to commercial requirements, the door achieved a mind-blowing performance grade 50 with air infiltration the equivalent of a toot in a hot tub. Not only that, but it matches perfectly with its birthing person window, which you'd expect. You know, like birthing person window, like sun. You can learn more about our wicked awesome windows and doors, but only at Better Lumber Yards and Window Professionals, or on the web at MathewsBrothers.com. Mathews Brothers with one T, America's oldest window manufacturer.